Kids Learning World.
Hi there! Do you know what a walrus is? It's spelled W-A-L-R-U-S. Let me tell you about walrus. Walruses are fascinating animals that live in cold Arctic waters near the North Pole. They are large marine mammals with thick, wrinkled skin and long tusks. Walruses use their tusks to pull themselves out of the water onto ice floes and to defend themselves from predators like polar bears. They have flippers that they use to swim and to walk on land. Walruses eat clams, mussels, and other shellfish that they find on the ocean floor. They are very social animals and like to gather in large groups called herds. Walruses are amazing creatures that are perfectly adapted to their icy Arctic home. Now it is time to draw a walrus together. Here are some simple steps you can follow. for drawing with me. See you next time. If you ever want to draw or learn something new, feel free to come back. Goodbye for now.